Alright, we're back letting this cool off. How's the bathroom?
Beautiful in there.
Is it wet now?
It is.
Good, don't lay down there. Goes on the gasket board over there, let it dry. We moisturized the gasket. Okay, so here's the one that doesn't work. Sticks in too far. So this clip here rotates slightly, but it's tight. But we have a problem. Doesn't fit.
That's interesting, because it came out of this bike.
So, it's got burrs on it. This is an early shaft too, see how the hole doesn't go all the way through?
Yeah, like that one.
Slot.
Oh, it came off the early pump.
So that means we're going to have a little more effort to put the key in there. More of a problem. Alright, so we got to work on this now. Because you brought me an inferior product
The one that came out of it.
from the extra parts department. So we need something that's about a 7/16. It might resemble something close to this. It's almost the right size.
Exactly. Just a little bit of clearance. It's fine.
Just a little bit undersized. That's why that adjustment knob there. It's not quite the right size, but it'll work, kind of. There you go. Appears to have a high spot in there. Yep. Appears to be a high spot. Did you hear the high spot?
I did hear the high. I did hear the high spot. Yes.
Those high spots dig in your hand when you hit it. Appears to have a high spot over there. I need something to hold this thing with. I know we can use. Need some holding power. What do you got around here we can hold it with? Appears to be tight. You're one of my tools again, aren't you?
For me?
Yeah,
And what?
you were.
What was I doing?
Between me and my tools.
I passed you your tool that you needed.
Right there behind you. It's supposed to be between me and my tools. Doesn't work too good. It almost doesn't want to go. Damn, nothing seems to work on this bike. Well, it's a good holding fixture.
Yep.
It ain't moving. So now we have a holding fixture now. Let's see. Crank that sucker down. Sounds like it's honed. Look at the high spot. I can't see it, but it's not there anymore. And we get most of this shit cleaned off because we don't get our clean motor dirty.
Mm-hmm.
Give it a good wipe down. Ooh, look at that. It goes all the way until there. Then it doesn't fit anymore. Must be something in the way. The key disappeared. Okay. Ooh, look at that. It's kind of undercutting that sucker. So this takes the small key. It's undercut. Look at that thing. Is that the right gear?
That was on the inside. These two on the outside.
Does that make a difference?
Yeah, goes thickness.
Picking on me again?
Nope.
Okay. See, this one doesn't fit. There. Don't have to worry about that falling off. That's a tight fit. Okay, it works. Ooh, look, it goes all the way like it's supposed to.
Beautiful.
Alright. Clean up now. Be back. Look, that didn't work. We didn't need that key, did we?
Apparently not.
He's picking on the shaft that's got vertical marks in it now. That'd be called shatter marks when they made it. Okay, that goes on a little easier, so we should be able to assemble that without too much effort. Alright, good. That was the easy part. Fun part's gonna be putting this together, all this crap in the way. Alright, where's our gasket? I think.
But not that one.
I don't want this one anymore. Somebody drew a picture all over there. Throw it back in the mock-up gasket department. Look at that shriveled up thing.
I know.
I thought you expanded that.
I did.
Not a very good job. Appears to be unshriveling. I think it shrunk.
You want me to re-moisturize it?
We're going to have to go
Again?
re-moisturize it again. This time we're going to have to quit screwing around and put the thing together. So I think we're going to wait before we do that.
We'll do some more screwing around first.
Yeah, we're going to do some pre-assembly first. So that means we're going to...
The gasket sealer offers no moisture to expand it?
Not really. You do it on the guy on the case, but in this case, there's areas that are really thin that could use some sealer on. Okay, now this thing here should be dry by now. It's almost cooled off. It's getting there. This is going to be the fun part. So I don't like putting this on the pump because it gets in the way of assembly. And this is getting nice and thick, so there's a real thick layer on there too,
Mm-hmm.
which makes it even more of a problem. So I got a sticky hand problem now. So that's the back side, so I'm going to lay on the back side of the pump. Okay, assembly lube. So we pick on me in my assembly procedure,
Who was?
accusing me of doing it wrong.
Who's that?
I don't know, somebody's accusing me of doing my job wrong when I was doing it wrong. I don't know why. Doesn't make any
How dare
sense. I know, it doesn't make any sense to me why that would happen. I'm very sensitive, you know.
Aren't we all?
Doesn't appear to want to go in there. How's your thumb press? Appears to be strong enough.
About 30 pounds.
Yeah, that's about how much that was. Okay, so that now has lube on it. Wipe some off. Actually makes it easier when it's tight like that, because we don't have to deal with it now.
Doesn't want to fall off at that point.
And it's not falling off. Oh, I just touched where I wasn't supposed to touch. Told you I'd screw up. Don't touch that gasket surface. This time we hold the paint area. Okay, now if you have the right one in the right spot, it'll be almost flush with the gasket surface. You didn't think I know that, did you?
No.
Okay, like that. You put the other one in there. Like that. I'm touching something I'll get dirty with it. Must be touching the wrong area again. I think I touched some more of that area I wasn't supposed to. Okay, now we gotta put the key in here. That real small one.
Under the pump. I mean, under the.
The one that's hidden?
Yeah.
You're hiding it from me? And how are we gonna do that? You gotta rotate
Some
it.
finesse.
You gotta rotate where you can get it up to it with your fat ass fingers. Like that. You gotta take this gear. See, this one's cut away for other application. This is made for a different application pump. Sure this one we're gonna use?
Mm-hmm. There's more in here if you want.
Because this is not made to be in that spot. This is supposed to be on the outside of a different pump. Probably a knucklehead pump. What's that one?
You want to check the? You want to measure it first?
Zero. 3.5 under. I don't like that one. So why didn't we use that before?
Well, this was at home. This bag of goodies.
Oh, you're hiding these parts from me. New and improved already. Clean these off real quick. Give me dirty parts, put a clean motor together with it. Look at that. Looks like gaskets and chocolate fingers too. We just tightened your oil clamps up by 3.5 pounds. Feel better?
I do.
Good. Me too. Alright, where's this one go? I don't know. I want this one. Okay, now we gotta try to get this in here without breaking it. Problem is that key is pointed uphill right now.
Mm-hmm.
So which one missing screwdriver at?
I don't think it's over there.
Nope.
Mm.
Here's my screwdriver's missing. Again. They stole it again. Where they put it away, where it doesn't belong. You're just helping me out again by putting my tools away. Alright, so now we need to put that where it's pointed downhill instead of uphill. And if we're lucky, we'll be able to start the keyway where it belongs. So we're trying to feel it. See, I'm not feeling it. Should be right there, but it's not cooperating. See, it made it look like it almost went in, didn't it? Just push the key out.
Why don't we do that one first and then this one? You got it.
Or I could just put it in there like that.
You could just do it first, right the first time.
Yeah, hello. Hi. Mm-hmm. Oh, now you can be illegal. That's it now.